What's up guys, I'm Jake from JacobTubeHD. As you can see, I've been stuck in here for the past 4 days. It's day 5. I've been trapped in my room, as you can see by the last video. I don't know why, because that door doesn't have a lock on it. So if you're wondering how I've been over the past few days, I've been doing stuff to pass the time until I figure out a way out of here. And yeah, I've just been having fun. I think it's fun. I don't know. Yeah, so here is a day in the life of someone who's trapped in their own bedroom by something. Alright, I think I have an idea to get that door open. Maybe if I throw this thing, which is a thing used for Christmas wrapping paper, I have this in my closet for some reason, dumb bit. I was thinking maybe I could throw this at the door and maybe then it'll open. Alright? Let's see how good my throwing skills are. Should be easy, right? Just chuck it and then maybe then the door will open. Alrighty. You know what, that idea was better in my head. Yeah, definitely. No. You're a freaking coconut. So, there's not a lot of food really in this room to eat, and you know, I've been in here for 5 days, so I gotta eat something. So, I have these vitamin D gummies. I don't know, doctor said I was vitamin D deficient, even though everyone is, because we just went through a pandemic and not a lot of people have gone outside in the last year, so, or last 2 years, whatever, I don't care anymore. I lost concept of time being in this room, so, yeah. Just get this open. Doctor said I should take 2 of these a day. Well, I'm hungry and I need food. Delicious.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Wow. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Wow. Nowadays on cruise control. Wow. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Wow. And just like that, I'm on a roll.
Oh, fuck. I shouldn't dance. You know, the more and more I sit in this room, trapped, the more I realize I miss my family. I mean, who knows? They could have been eaten by Shaquille O'Neal. I mean, you don't know, that guy's fucking huge. He could probably eat someone. My Barbie. Has Shaquille O'Neal ever eaten someone? I need more nutrition. What do you mean I gotta steal gifts from this house? I'm not going to jail. Yeah, I really think I'm starting to lose it in here, so I'm just gonna sign off. But before I sign off, I just want to say that for the rest of the year, for all the videos I make this year, for the rest of the year, I'll be putting Team C's in the link in the description below. If you don't know what Team C's is, it's this charity started by Mr. Beast and Mark Rober, where if you donate $1, they'll remove 1 pound of trash from the oceans, since there's a lot of trash in the oceans and washing up on beaches and ruining the environments and ecosystems of animals living in the ocean. A couple years ago, Mr. Beast and Mark Rober did Team Trees, where they planted 20 million trees to help the environment. And this year they're doing it again, but removing trash from the sea. And if, you know, their goal is to hit $30 million by the end of the year so that they can remove 30 million pounds of trash from the oceans. I think it's a really cool idea, and I definitely think if you guys have the money, go donate. Yeah, it's an amazing cause, and I'm willing to help out as much as I can. So go check out Team C's in the description below. please donate if you can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new to join the JacobTube family. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I make a new video. Follow me on all my socials at JacobTube101, and hopefully I'll figure out how to get out of this room. The fuck was that noise? Huh, interesting. Hopefully I get out of this room, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, JacobTube fam.